Hurricane Francine just made landfall in South Louisiana. 10 Tampa Bay meteorologist Colleen Campbell tracking this storm. Category 2, right, Colleen?
Yes, David. It strengthened to that Category 2 status right ahead of landfall. We saw that northern slice of the eye wall approaching land. And now, yes, we do have landfall at the parish of Terrebonne, which is about 30 miles southwest of Morgan City. Morgan City is an area that we have been mentioning a lot lately as well. So here is that eye. You can see that satellite and radar imagery as Hurricane Francine continues to move inland. So over the next few days here, we're going to track it straight up to the north across states like Mississippi. That's really going to feel the impacts outside of Louisiana in the next 24 and 48 hours. Right now, those tropical storm warnings, as well as those hurricane warnings highlighted in the red and the blue, just for that southern slice of Louisiana and moving into the southern slice of Mississippi. Cuts off right before we get to the Florida Panhandle. No effects for our region. However, going deeper into the tropics here, now we're in the Atlantic Basin and we have several other systems we have our eye on. These three do have a low chance of formation within the next week. However, you see this guy over here, that is Tropical Depression 7, and it will likely turn into our next named system. Next name up on the list will be Gordon. So we're expecting this system right here that we're now looking at, Tropical Depression 7, to eventually turn into Tropical Storm Gordon. It is currently placed slightly west of the Cape Verde Islands. Back here at home, we have this front that has been draped over our region, and it's producing enough moisture for those storms across the nature coast. However, here closer to home, a lot of lightning has been set up to the north. Haven't really seen that gravitate its way down towards our region. However, we are starting to see more downpours across the area right now, mainly north of I-4 across Pasco County and Hernando County. We're seeing more rain than we did an hour ago. Again, no lightning with these, but we also have a few downpours that's in northern Polk County. Has been training over the same areas, so I would be on the lookout for any ponding or some high water issues, especially for those smaller bodies of water. And then down in Highlands County, also seeing more rain than we saw an hour ago. Temperatures right now reflecting some cooler, rain-cooled air in Crystal River, 77. But generally, we are in the lower 80s for places like Dade City, Brooksville, along the coast, mid 80s to lower 90s. And then inland, we have some mid 80s as well. Going into our futurecast here, again, these storms will be providing a nice substantial amount of rain to some folks, while other areas sit drier. As we move into tonight, around 11 to midnight, so that's when things will start to dry out. Dry in the overnight hours. We have plenty of cloud cover to work with. And then we start the process all over again tomorrow, where those scattered showers will start again around 3, 4, 5 o'clock. Not as widespread rain, and I'll show you why. Moving into this weekend, we have some drier air that's actually a benefit of Francine for our region. So you can see this drier air highlighted in the brown yellow color. This is Sunday 6 p.m. As we move into Monday, we still have that benefit of lower dew points and lower rain chances thanks to that drier air that's moving in from the west as Francine pushes up to the north. Again, no effects with the tropics for our portion of Florida right now. 7-day forecast here. You can see those lower rain chances come Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Something to look forward to. Also lower dew points, so not quite as humid and sticky. Temperatures about seasonable for this time of the year.